Get dinner on the table quickly with this one-pot taco pasta. The pasta cooks right in the pan with all of the rest of the ingredients for a fun new take on taco night. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we are making one-pot taco pasta. It's a fan favorite on What Molly Made for good reason. It's simple, it's healthy, and it's kid approved. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a deep skillet or saucepan over medium heat. Once it's hot, add 1 medium diced yellow onion and cook, stirring frequently until it's translucent. Then add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Add 1 pound of ground beef and cook, breaking it up for 3 to 4 minutes until no pink remains. Add a 1 ounce packet of taco seasoning to the beef mixture with a half a cup of water and stir that well. I like to grab a clean mix like cilantro or one that doesn't include gluten. Add 2 more cups of water and 1 cup of mild salsa and stir to combine. Bring it to a boil, then stir in the pasta, cover and cook over medium-low heat for 9 to 11 minutes, opening the lid to stir occasionally so the pasta doesn't burn to the bottom of the pan. The cook time may vary depending on the type of pasta you use. We like to use a gluten-free rotini that takes about 10 minutes. When the pasta is cooked to al dente, add 1 can of drained corn, then add 1 can of drained and rinsed black beans and stir that to combine. Garnish with 1 cup of sliced cherry tomatoes and sliced avocado. Squeeze some lime juice on top and sprinkle the pasta with chopped cilantro. Your taco night will never be the same. We love that this is gluten-free and dairy-free, and we've heard from so many that their kids love it too. And if you love this recipe, be sure to like it and leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. If you want to try another Mexican-inspired meal, check out these healthy turkey enchiladas.